Thank you, CB's crew, for supporting our Circle Plus.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I thought I would start out with a clip of my son at work. You can see him bouncing, but they're actually having praise and worship, which is so neat because he just loves it. He loves their dancing in there. They be praising the Lord, and CB's just into his own little his own little realm there, and he's just having such a good time. But they really have a really good setup there at work. So this is Wednesday, and Miss Chelsea's there with him. She goes to work with him and work with him, and she is his license behavior analysis. So, yep, he's all happy. So, just wanted to catch a glimpse of him at work and having a good time. And also, I wanted to just capture Sunday's meal. Brandon and I decided to um, fry some chicken, fried chicken, and have a cucumber salad. So that's what we decided to do. So the next clip, you will see me starting to cook. So I hope everybody's well. If you're new to the channel, hey, welcome. My name is Debbie. My son here, his
That was
name
a
is
cute
Clinton
song.
Bridge. We
How
call
do
him
you
CB for
feel?
short, and he is on the autism spectrum. He works, and he has a great life. So welcome to the channel, and welcome CB's crew. Hey y'all, it's Sunday afternoon. Welcome to our Circle Plus. If you're new here, my name is Debbie. I have a son on the spectrum. His name is Clinton Bridge, and we call him CB. And right now, y'all, I had a late start making dinner today. So we have fried chicken, and I'm currently making a cucumber salad. So what I put in my cucumber salad is fresh green onion, a little bit of white onion, and then we have some of the Italian dressing, and then I add a little bit of vinegar with it, salt and pepper. That's it. And then let it marinate. That is the best. And with fried chicken, y'all, it is so good. I'm gonna show y'all the chicken in just a minute. The girl tired already. Y'all, it's so hot here. I know I'm jumping all over the place, but it's back up to the triple digits again. I think it was 100 today, and it's supposed to get even hotter this week. Ooh. I'm supposed to be getting my house painted soon, so I pray for the people who are going to be up on that roof, and prayerfully that they will take the amount of breaks that they will need to get the job done. I will have some water inside the house to make sure that they have water. I'm sure they're going to bring their own water. It's just a nurturing part of me to, offer it if they need it. But yeah, so let me show you the chicken so far. So it's still frying. I have a pan full that's frying, and then I have some over here on the rack. So, yep. Oh, it looked orange for some reason. Whoa. But anyway, that is that. So I'm going to finish real quickly. I'm halfway done. I did change my linen on my bed, which is what I do every Sunday um, without a doubt. I do that. And then I'll change CB's linen when he goes to work tomorrow. So, yep. So what are you guys doing today? You staying cool if you're in Texas? Because let me tell you what, this heat ain't nobody's joke. Yeah, just grateful that I have AC, because y'all, I've been through one of those summers here without AC, and y'all, baby, you don't sleep, you don't do nothing. I had to put towels on the dog's heads. It was a hot mess for a while. Hot mess. So I'm getting ready to cut the scallion, and I'll show you guys in a minute once I finish. As a matter of fact, let me focus, because I got this big knife in my hand, y'all, and let me focus on cutting up the vegetables and putting them in the bowl, and putting all the seasoning and the vinegar and the oil and everything in there. Now I'll show you what it looks like. So here is the cucumber salad. I haven't put the salt and pepper on it yet, but it's the balsamic vinegar and a little bit of regular white vinegar, just a tad bit. And then you just put your salt and pepper on there, shake it up, let it sit in the fridge for a little bit. Chef's kiss. And it can be a meal by itself. You can add anything else with it, you know, carrots, everything's raw. So you can add carrots. I added a little bit of, I think we had some bell pepper in here, and I just cut it up and added that. And so, yep, so it's almost done. So I'm gonna mix it up real quick, add some salt and pepper, and then put it in the fridge so that when the chicken is completed, then we can go ahead and sit down and eat. And right before we eat, I'll show you what it looks like. Y'all, it's 7:30. I never eat this late. This has been a rush deal, but anyway, long day. But anyway, the chicken is finally done. Let me show you what the plate looks like. Okay, y'all, so here's the chicken. Here's the cucumber salad. And remember that watermelon drink, that watermelon cucumber drink that I bought yesterday? It's this one, y'all. It's delicious. It is absolutely delicious. I'm so tired. I'm ready to eat. I was trying to watch everybody's videos, and I was just watching Keisha. I'm gonna have to rewatch it again. My internet is just, I don't know what's going on with it, but I pay my bill every month, so I got a problem. I got a big problem. I don't know if I'm gonna call the city, because AT&T has exclusive rights where I live. And y'all, they dug up my yard last year and supposedly given me this new fiber optic cable that was supposed to improve my services. Y'all, while I'm at work, I just, in Teams online, meeting with people, I just be freezing up. People be talking to me and I be dropping calls. This is really getting next to me. And so anyway, I'm not on here to complain. I'm going to pray over my food, and I'm going to eat, and I'm going to see y'all tomorrow.